And here it is, the RYOBI 36 volt hedge trimmer kit. Includes the battery and the charger. So there it is there. So I've got a lot of hedges to trim. I tried the hand version, it's just too exhausting. I did have a power cord one, but I cut the power cord and that meant I couldn't use that anymore because I electrocute myself. So there's a lot of hedging out the front too. So I'll do an unboxing of the RYOBI. Debris remover. There it is there. Oh, it's got a nice long bar in it. It's a 600mm bar, 2 feet. Oh, that's perfect. That's what I had before. It's the same length as a power cord one I had. Oh, it looks like it's all there except for the battery's not connected to it. It's a nice looking unit actually. What else is in the box? Big charger unit. So that's the battery. Instructions. So there's your unboxing of the RYOBI Hedge trimmer, 36 volt. See how it goes. I've got to charge it up, so I'll do that now. Let's open the battery up. It's a nice big battery, isn't it? Gee, it is. That is a good solid battery. I think it's supposed to last an hour. So 2.6 amp hours. Very solid looking battery. Alright. I'll read the instructions and I'll plug it in. So there's the battery and the charger. Nice solid looking unit actually. Plugged it in, so just slide it in. There we go. It's supposed to have 4 lights, only 1.5 is flashing. So let that charge. It's supposed to take 75 minutes to charge, the bloke said. Yeah, very impressed with this. It's got 2 settings. It's got fine cut and rough cut. It's on rough cut at the moment. To move it to the one, it's on 1. I have rough cut, so I'll leave it on that. And the battery just slots under there. I'll film that when I connect it up later. It's got a nice size bar on it. Ooh, good quality. That definitely feels like, oh, it's sharp too. There's a decent weight to it, it's solid. Nice and solid. Still charging. Alright. It's about an hour and a half later, it's all charged up. It was about a quarter charge when I bought it, so it's all charged up, ready to go. Here it is over here. So, so I'll put the battery in it, and here it goes. Let's test it out. That's pretty good. It's nice and quiet too. Oh, this is awesome. Yeah, I'm very happy with this. Excellent. Does it? Oh, it's awesome. Does a good job. It's nice and quiet. Yeah, that's pretty good. Done a good job. We'll just cut that bit. So it's cut nicely as far as I could reach. I'm just going to move the ladder now. But yeah, it's a good job. Just as good as the electric one. Only you can't have a go at that. You haven't got gloves on. I've done all the hedging at the back. It's even quicker without the cooling. So it's done really well. Let's see how much battery charge was used. Yeah, it's still 3/4 charged. And I've done, that would be half what I normally do one go. So I'm really impressed. So I could do my yard 2 times over. So yeah, it's great. Very impressed with it. It's nice and sharp. Did well. Yeah, I really recommend this electric hedge trimmer. It's good so you don't have to worry about all the cables. Petrol ones are so damn noisy. So and plus they're heavy too. They're probably heavier. You've got the petrol in there and the engine.